Preparing a resume can be a challenging task. With the assistance of this learning module, you will learn and review the essential elements of a chronological resume. A chronological format is the most commonly used type of format for a resume. With this format, information is presented in reverse chronological order, providing an account of education, experience, and other skills that are organized in an easy-to-read format. The three must-have sections of a resume are a candidate's contact information, education, and experience. Organize the information in each section, customizing content that will stand out to an employer. The name you go by should appear at the top of your resume, along with a mailing address, phone number with area code, and email address. Some candidates choose to place both a permanent mailing address and current mailing address on their resumes. This is appropriate for students living in temporary housing. In the education section, include the name of the university and its location, degree program you're working toward, and the month and year the degree was awarded or is expected to be awarded. Optional information to include in this section includes a minor, cumulative grade point average, and related coursework. Speak to a career advisor about optional information to include in your education section. In the experience section, select experiences you have had that highlight the skills and qualities that will stand out to an employer. Experience can be part-time or full-time employment, extracurricular activities, and volunteer work. Think broadly about the experiences you have had and focus on the skills you developed. View additional resources for formatting and creating strong bullet points on the Career Planning and Development Center's website. There are a few different types of resume formats to select from, with the chronological resume format being the most regularly used. Tailor and revise each resume using keywords and phrases from the job posting and have a professional review the document to offer feedback. A strong resume may have multiple revisions before it's ready to submit to an employer. The information in this learning module was created to describe a formatting overview of a chronological resume. You learn formatting tips and advice to aid in the development of a chronological resume. Decide if a chronological resume is a type of document that will highlight your skills and qualifications best at a glance. For additional resume resources, please refer to the Career Planning and Development Center's website.